Picture this. Soaring above the city, the sun setting on the horizon, casting a golden glow on your very own penthouse suite. Exotic vacations whenever you want. The freedom to pursue your passions without constantly checking your bank account. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that dream life might be closer than you think. What if I told you that saving just $10,000 this year could be your first step toward unlocking that reality? Alright, let's get down to business. Saving $10,000 in a year might seem daunting, but trust me, it's totally achievable if you break it down. First things first, we need to set that target. That's right, $10,000. Visualize it, write it down, make it real. Now let's talk budgeting. I'm not talking about restrictive, joyless penny pinching here. I'm talking about taking control of your money. Know where every dollar is going and you'll be amazed at how much you can save without even noticing. Next up, let's refine those spending habits. We all have our weaknesses, those daily lattes, impulse buys, and subscription services we barely use. Cut back on those and redirect that cash towards your $10,000 goal. Look, small changes add up. Swap that daily latte for a homemade brew, cook at home more often, and you'll be surprised how quickly those savings start piling up. This isn't about deprivation. It's about being smart with your money and prioritizing what truly matters to you, like that penthouse view, remember? So track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and watch your savings grow. Now let's kick things up a notch. Beyond budgeting, there are tons of ways to generate extra cash flow. Think of it as giving your savings goal a turbo boost. First up, the gig economy. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit offer endless opportunities to monetize your skills. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding guru, or a DIY master, there's a gig out there for you. Next, let's talk about your unused assets. That spare bedroom, parking space, or even your car could be generating passive income. Platforms like Airbnb and Neighbor make it easier than ever to rent out your stuff and watch the cash roll in. And don't underestimate the power of cashback apps and reward programs. Rakuten, Ibotta, Honey, these are your new best friends. They put money back in your pocket for purchases you're already making. Remember, every dollar counts when you're on a mission to save $10,000. So, get creative, explore those side hustles, and watch your savings account balance climb higher and higher. Chapter 3. Make your money work for you. Okay, so you're crushing the saving game, but let's talk about making that money work even harder for you. We're not talking about risky investments here, but rather smart, low-risk strategies to grow your savings passively. First up, high-yield savings accounts. Unlike traditional banks that offer measly interest rates, these accounts actually reward you for saving. Think of it as getting paid for being responsible with your money. Next, let's automate your savings. Set up recurring transfers from your checking to your savings account and watch your money grow effortlessly. It's like paying yourself first, ensuring that you're consistently working towards that $10,000 goal. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you could dip your toes into the world of index funds. These diversified, low-cost investments offer the potential for long-term growth without the stress of picking individual stocks. Remember, this is your financial journey, and it's all about finding what works best for you. But the key is to be proactive, leverage these tools, and watch your savings multiply before your eyes. Chapter 4. Beyond the dollars and cents. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Saving $10,000 isn't just about the numbers, it's about the freedom and peace of mind that comes with it. Imagine this, you're finally able to take that dream family vacation you've been putting off, without stressing about the cost. The weight of debt starts to lift, replaced by a sense of control and empowerment. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worried about unexpected expenses. Instead, you have an emergency fund, a safety net to protect you from life's curveballs. This is about taking control of your financial future, one step at a time. It's about building a solid foundation for yourself and your family. It's about unlocking opportunities and achieving your dreams, whatever they may be. So keep that vision in mind, stay motivated, and remember that every dollar you save brings you one step closer to that brighter future. Chapter 5. Your journey starts now. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you're feeling inspired and motivated to take action. Remember, saving $10,000 in a year is totally doable, even if you're starting from scratch. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices, prioritizing your financial well-being, and building a brighter future. So here's what I want you to do right now. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Money Mindset so you don't miss out on future financial tips and tricks. Most importantly, drop a comment below and let me know what your savings goals are. Let's hold each other accountable and make this year our most successful yet. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Take that first step today, and I promise you won't regret it. Outro time to level up. Look, I get it. Saving money isn't always glamorous, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. Imagine that feeling of checking your bank account and seeing a 5-figure surplus. That's real power, the kind of power that opens doors and creates opportunities. So, commit to yourself, put in the work, and let's make this happen. Your future self will thank you, I guarantee it.